Yes, I use Mickey sa Japan. Guys, again, like, share, subscribe, notification bell for update every day the new videos. So place of Mickey na Susaga, guys. It's a Family Mart convenience store. There's a Matsbalo supermarket. Matsbalo supermarket. It's a big department store. Alright, guys. Like and share, guys. Like and share. It's a place of Mickey na Osaka, Japan. This rice burner, guys. It's the planting rice area. It's a big planting rice area here in Mickey, Osaka, Japan. And guys, over there is a apartment, a government apartment. And guys, a nice view, sir. Mickey, Japan. Di Salidi. So not working today because the red calendar here in Japan country. Car is car. Because today it's a red calendar here in Japan. So what, guys, it's a mini mansion. There's a mini design house design here in Japan. It's a mini house design. Other design, guys. It's a tray, it's the lead glossing. It's a mini mansion here in Mickey, Osaka, Japan. But mini design, house design. Looking for this beside me, it's a planting rice area. So planting rice area. So it's a very good idea here in Japan. Farmer, it's very clean. Very clean. Japan farmer, very clean, my brother sister. It's a very nice view, sir, in Mickey, Japan, guys. Place to forget, that is here. It's really nice looking for. Over there, there's the school building. Yeah, it's a school building and apartment. It's a school building areas, guys. In the school building area. Guys, it's a nice views here in Mickey, Japan. It's a college school building. Guys, it's a Mickey, Osaka, Japan. College school building, very nice.